Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel for another meal prep tip video. Today we're making turmeric glazed chicken. It is a very simple recipe, doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients to it. The recipe that I made here yielded 11 servings, and the macros were 2.8 grams of fat, 8.1 grams of carbs, and 41.6 grams of protein. Without further ado, let's get into the ingredients here and start cooking. To get things going, we're going to need to start on our marinade, which is going to call for 1.5 tablespoons of ground turmeric, followed by 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. Additionally, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of dried basil leaf. And at this point, we're going to cut up 2 whole lemons, and we're going to squeeze the juice into our mixture here. I'm using a strainer to sort of save time so that I don't have to pick the seeds out of our mixture afterwards. The strainer will just catch the seeds and only give us the juice in the bowl. After that, we're going to go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of agave nectar to our mixture. Feel free to swap out agave nectar for honey if you do so, please. I just happen to prefer the sweetening agent of agave nectar. After that, let's make sure to give our mixture a nice whisk here so that we can meld all of the ingredients together before we get to our chicken and start marinating. Make sure you wash and clean your chicken before you marinate it. Right here, I am using 4 3/4 pounds of organic chicken breast, which I've washed and cleaned, and additionally, I have pat dried with paper towels to remove any excess moisture. We really want all those flavors to sort of meld in with the chicken and not have a very watery marinade. As you know, chicken breast is very watery. If you do have a 1-gallon Ziploc bag, go ahead and use that. That's actually my preferred method to marinate meats. It just so happened I was out of those bags, so I am using a very large Tupperware here. I am going to coat all of my chicken in this marinade and put it back in the fridge and allow it to marinate for about an hour before I slap it on the grill. Pro tip before you start your grill, go ahead and rub it with an onion. Make sure the juice covers all the grill before you kick the grill onto high heat. When you brush the grime off, it will allow it to clean and come off really easily. When you're ready, drop your heat down to about medium-high, space your chicken out evenly over the grill, and then cover to cook. Your cook time is going to be a total of 11 minutes, about 5.5 minutes on each side, making sure to flip them halfway through. When you pull your chicken off, make sure you place it in a Tupperware lined with foil. What this is going to do is it's going to allow the chicken to cook more and longer and allow you to hold more of the moisture in it. You're going to use the remaining 1/4 of your marinade to dump over your chicken before you cover it up and allow it to sit for about 20 minutes and before you cut into it. Once 20 minutes are up, you can go ahead and cut into the chicken and start portioning out your servings. Right here, I am pairing my chicken with basmati white rice and fine cut green beans. As you can see, I've already bagged all my meals and vacuum sealed them. I tend to make all my meals for 1 month out and I will freeze them. You don't have to do it this way. You can actually just use Tupperware if you want. I just find that this way and this method works for me. So that'll do it for our turmeric glazed chicken. I hope you found this helpful. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, drop a like on the video, and as always, stay happy, eat healthy.